Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to AppCoder. I am Satyendra and today I am going to show you how we can represent data in list using SwiftUI. Lists in SwiftUI are perfect for displaying vertical data. It's much like UI table view in Swift. It's a powerful way to organize and present information in your apps. So let's start it. I have already created a SwiftUI project over here. As you can see, in the preview window we have two elements over here in the output. So first one is image and second one is label. If we are jumping to the code, as you can see we have image and text over here, and those UI elements are in the vertical stack. So image is called as UI image view in Swift, and text is known as UI label, so you can connect. Okay, so first we need to comment out this code, and what we are going to create here list. So how we can define our list in the Swift UI? The simplest answer is like this. As you can see, we don't have a previous output because we have commented that code, but our list is also empty. The reason behind this, we haven't assigned any data to list. As you can see, we our list is empty. So our first step is to assign some data to list in the form of text. I'm going to assign data, so I'm going to create a text here and I'm passing empty string. As you can see in the preview, we have one row added, but text is empty, so there is nothing to display. So I'm going to add some text. So now hello is reflected to our window. Okay, what if I need 3 or 4 more rows over here? So I'm going to copy that text and paste it over here. You can change the value according to your need. As you can see in the list, I have created 3 text, and those 3 text are reflected in the list. What if we have to show the data in array format? Okay, so we have to create array first. We have to show the data in array format in this list, so we have to create array first, similarly like we have created in the Swift. Okay, so let me create a array. Okay, I'm going to give a name like names array. Okay, and I'm going to add some elements like app coder. I have added first name, the second one is mark. Okay, and third one is Elon. What we need to do here, I have to show this names array in this list sequentially, like our expected output will be for first row we have to show app coder, second one is mark, and third one is Elon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass the this names array to this list. Okay, so first error is contextual type for closure argument, list expected one arguments. Okay, this list expected one arguments, so I'm going to use element over here, and second one is we need range environment. Okay, so we have to pass id over here. This is the identifier for the particular row, we can say. So what we are going to pass is we are going to use self here. Okay, as you can see, we have 3 rows in the this list, and we have created 3 elements in this names array, and I have assigned this names array to the list. So we have created these 3 text for each element. so it will displayed here for 3 times. Like this is for one time, hello app coder hello, hello app coder hello, and so on. So what we need to do is we need to show only one text. So there is three rows over here, but not our from names array. This is the fixed string hello. So what we need to do is we need to replace this string with this element. As you can see, we have the same result whatever we wanted. Now what I'm going to do is suppose a scenario that we have 2 or 3 elements in the this list. How we can iterate the array? So let's comment it out first. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a same list, okay, with this element. Let's edit this whatever we have previously. So as you can see, in this list we have one vertical stack with the image view and text view, whatever the previous output we have, first output we have. So let's change this vertical stack into horizontal stack. As you can see, the reflection stack position is stack type is changed. Okay, now I need this row 3 or 4 times. I can copy this and paste over here multiple times. If we have some view, this is not an effective approach. So what we can do is we can pass some array iteration here. So I'm going to iterate it 4 times, and what we need to do is we need to same closure over here. Okay, I'm not using this, so this will be empty. So this is 4 times represented over data. And you can customize your list styles as well according to your need. Like this, we have this property. You can use any property like sidebar or plain, anything according to your need. So I'm going to do is inserts group for now. Okay, now let's create a specific height of this frame, because this visibility of this cell is very low. So I'm going to give some height. Okay, this h stack is height of 100. Now I'm going to do is for 50. Okay, so this looks like perfect. Hope you understand the concept of list using this video. And in the next video I'm going to create some customized view and will add it to the list. And that is it for today, guys. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.